Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed.
Hi guys, it's a Saturday and the kitchen needs cleaned up again as always, and I decided to get hubby to help me clean. Sometimes I have a hard time getting started, and so I do what's called a jump start. I call in hubby and say, can you give me a little jump start? And he came in. You can see me, I was coaxing him in here because he didn't want to be on camera. So he helped me unload the dishwasher, and you'll see here in a minute he ditches me after only a few minutes, but I keep going. Okay, so my 15 minutes ran out, so I set the timer again because I felt good enough that I could keep going. So I'm just finishing up a few things and doing a couple extra things that I hadn't planned on doing.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I.
Okay, I'm going to do some laundry. I'm done with my second 15 minutes, and this seems to be a trend here in my quick clean challenge videos that I do 15 minutes and then I do some laundry. So I'm going to do some laundry now.
Create that feeling, the sun on your skin, as great as breathing, filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town.
I'm just going to watch some TV here, as I've been doing lately while I'm folding the laundry. I usually fold it in the bedroom, but lately I've been doing it while I'm watching TV, and I got myself a little snack, and I'm going to finish up this load of wash. Okay, I'm going to tag another YouTuber. So Simply Shelly, you're tagged. So I have really been enjoying watching Shelly's channel lately. She is doing the 12-week Hug Your Home challenge put on by Cass at Clutterbug. I really wanted to do this challenge but wasn't able to, and I'm really enjoying watching her. So head on over to her channel and watch that series. So, and as always, I tag all my subscribers to clean with me. If you haven't been cleaning with me during this video, get up right now and go set your timer and get to cleaning. And as always, guys, enjoy your day.